Welcome to the Virtual Techy, where we help people decode the future of tech and build AI businesses that run on autopilot. So I get this question all the time. What's the absolute best AI business to start right now? The one with the highest potential? Well, we've done the homework. We've analyzed the market, and we've boiled it down to 5 specific models you can launch today, even if you're starting from absolute scratch.
And look, that's not just some hypey quote to get you excited. This is really happening. There is a massive shift going on, and the real question is, are you going to sit on the sidelines and watch, or are you going to get in the game? This whole explainer is designed to get you in the game.
All right, so here's the game plan. We're going to start with 2 really accessible models, great starting points. Then I'm going to give you a 4-step blueprint that you can use to build any of these businesses. After that, we'll get into the top 3, the absolute biggest opportunities. And I'm even going to give you the exact script you can use to land your very first client. Let's do this. Okay, we're kicking off our countdown with 2 foundational models. Think of these as the perfect on-ramps to this whole world. They're pretty easy to start, and they offer a ton of value right away. Coming in hot at number 5 is the AI appointment setter. Now this is a total game changer, especially for local businesses. You're basically giving them a superhero receptionist that works 24/7. Now what I really want you to see here is the ratio. The cost to get this thing off the ground is practically 0. The effort, yeah, it's medium. You got to learn the tech. But look at that income potential. We're talking $500 to $1,000 a day. That's pretty wild. And this right here is why it's such an easy sell. You're not peddling software. You're replacing a $40,000 a year salary with a system that never gets tired, never takes a break, never misses a call. Just imagine walking into a local dentist office and saying, hey, you'll never miss a potential patient's call ever again. It's a total no-brainer for them.
All right, let's climb the ladder to number 4. This one is the AI content repurposing service. And in today's social media world, offering this is like selling shovels during the gold rush.
The metrics here look pretty similar, right? Low cost, medium effort, but you'll notice that income potential is creeping up a little bit. And why is that? It's simple. Every single business on Earth is desperate for more content. So here's the magic trick. You take one long piece of content, like a podcast or a webinar, and you use AI to chop it up into 20, maybe even more little viral clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You basically become a reach multiplier for that brand. You're not just editing videos, you're exploding their visibility online. Okay, hang on. Before we jump into the top 3, I need to give you the keys to the kingdom here. This is what I call the Tech Startup Protocol, and it's designed to make sure you get paying clients before you ever spend a dime building anything. It's 4 super simple steps. First, validate. Don't guess. Go talk to real estate agents or dentists or whoever and make sure they actually have the problem you think you can solve. Second, pre-sell. Get them to pay you up front. Get that cash in hand. Third, deliver. If you have to, do the work manually at first, just to get them a quick win and prove it works. And finally, number 4, after you have that paying client, that's when you systematize. That's when you build the automation to scale it up. Okay, now that you have that protocol in your back pocket, let's get to the top tier. These next 3 models, honestly, they represent some of the biggest business opportunities you're going to see in the next 10 years. Kicking off our top 3, we've got the AI sales chatbot. Now, this is where you make a crucial shift from just providing a service to actually generating cold, hard revenue for your clients. You'll notice the costs and effort are both medium here, but that income potential takes a really nice jump. And that's because you're no longer a line item expense, you're directly tied to your client's bottom line. So here's why this is so dang powerful. Brands are getting buried in DMs, comments, and texts that they just can't keep up with. You swoop in and build a chatbot that turns all those passive followers into active leads and ultimately into sales. Suddenly, your fee isn't an expense anymore. It's an investment with a crystal clear return. Okay, number 2 is for those of you who want to get a little more technical, but believe me, the reward is massive. It's an AI data cleanup and vectorization agency. Now, that word vectorization sounds super complex, but just think of it like this. You're building a custom brain for a company's AI using all of their own messy data. This is where we start talking about elite-level income. I'm not going to lie, the effort is high. This requires some real technical skill. But we are talking about the potential for up to $3,000 a day. This is high-ticket, premium work. And the problem you're solving is absolutely fundamental. Most companies are sitting on a goldmine of data. It's just stuck in messy PDFs, old spreadsheets, and long email chains.
Their AI systems can't use it. You are the key. You come in, you clean it up, you structure it, and you basically unlock the intelligence that was already trapped inside their own company.
So, that brings us to the number one spot. The single biggest, most lucrative AI business opportunity that I see anywhere in the market today. So what is it?
It's the AI Executive Assistant. This model laser focuses on solving the single biggest problem for any high-level executive or entrepreneur, their time. And let me tell you, that is a priceless problem to solve.
And just get a load of these metrics. This is the holy grail, right here. A low cost to start, a medium effort to build, and an absolutely staggering income potential of $3,000 to $5,000 a day. And this isn't a fantasy. There are agencies scaling to 8 figures right now solving this one problem.
And the reason this works so incredibly well is that you're hitting on a universal pain point. Every CEO is drowning in emails and calendar invites. You're not just tidying up their inbox, you're building a system that automates 90% of that administrative nonsense. You are literally selling entrepreneurs their life back. What do you think that's worth to them?
Okay, so as promised, here's your exact action plan. Find a business owner you know who is constantly busy and send them this exact message. You're not asking for money. You're not selling them. You're offering a massive amount of value for free, just for a testimonial. This is step 1 of the protocol, validate. I guarantee you, once they see how you save them 10 hours a week, they will be your first paying client. And really, that's what this all comes down to. AI can show you the map, it can point out all the opportunities, but it cannot walk the path for you. We just laid out 5 incredible businesses. The information is all here. But this revolution is happening with or without you. So the only question left is, are you going to be a spectator, or are you going to get in there and build something? If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so the algorithm can recommend more of my content to you and other viewers as well.